Hello guys, I am going to explain today how to set up SDK path in your Android Studio. Okay, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि अपने Android Studio में SDK path को हम कैसे सेट करें. Okay, तो सबसे पहले दोस्तों first of all you have to open your Android Studio. Okay, and then go to File and then go to Project Structure. और आप यहाँ देखिए कि ये Android SDK लोकेशन है. Here is Android SDK लोकेशन. This we have to set. Okay, so I already did that. I already set, so it is showing here, but I'm going to tell you how to set it. Okay, so go to your Windows C folder, I mean C drive. Go to C drive and then open user पर click करिए and then open your username, whatever your name is. My name is Ajay Destin, so I'm clicking here Ajay Destin, and then you have to open app data. After that, opening app data, open local and then Android and then SDK, and then this you have to select and copy. Share this copy and then close this tab. Then go to your My Computer or your PC here, and then go to Properties. Here go to Advanced System Setting. Then go to Environmental Variable. Then go to Path. Here in System Variable, go to Path. Here edit. See, I already said, so here it is showing C users such as testing app data, local Android SDK, platform tools. Okay, I already said it. Okay, so अगर आपने सेट नहीं किया है, आपने अगर सेट नहीं किया है तो आप यहाँ से न्यू करेंगे और यहाँ पे आपको ये देखिए पेस्ट कर देना. पेस्ट कर दिए और इस तरीके से आपका एंड्रॉयड एसडीके का पाथ जो है सेट हो गया. ये अगर आप ओके कर देते हैं, इफ यू आर डूइंग ओके देन पाथ सेट, बट आई ऑलरेडी सेट इट, सो नो नीड टू डू ओके ओके ओके, बट आई ऑलरेडी डिड, सो cancel okay okay. Same you can see here in Android Studio, this is your path. Okay, project structure. See, IRST app data, local Android SDK. So in this way you can set your Android SDK path in Android Studio. Okay, thanks for watching.